Hi, I'm Jeff Tucker. If you're looking for a 22-year-old visionary posing in front of a red Lamborghini to teach you how to get rich quick, you're definitely on the wrong channel. But here's the thing. If you're looking for someone who bought their first investment property in 1985 before the internet even existed, stick around. Now, I'm going to show you something. It's very scary, but see this? This is my ID from 1985. I was working nuclear maintenance for Pico Energy, which is now a subsidiary of Exelon Corp. This is where I learned my trade skills. That's where I learned about precision and how to manage high stakes without blowing things up. Now, also, going forward, I've been in real estate for about 40 years. I've been an investor for about 40 years, and I've been a tech guy since the mid 1990s, building websites when e-commerce was still a typo, basically. If you do the math, that's about 70 years of combined experience in two of the most chaotic industries on earth. Now, does that make me a guru? No, but it does make me a survivor, I would think. I've made every mistake in the book. I've bought the wrong houses. I've hired the wrong contractors, and I've wasted a fortune on the wrong technology. And that is exactly why I started AI powered assets. I was tired of the generic AI tools. Asking ChatGPT to find you a house is like asking the Tyler to do your taxes. It just doesn't end well. So I took my 40 years of experience and I turned it into code. I built custom GTPs specifically for wholesalers, flippers, and landlords. So these tools, they don't hallucinate, they calculate. They help you vet the gurus so you don't get scammed. They help you structure creative deals when the banks say no. And they write ad hooks that actually stop the scroll. I have a library of over 20 tools available right now. Some are paid, but a lot of the best ones, like my Guru BS detector, are completely free to use. Check the link in the description below this video and stop guessing, stop listening to the fluff, and let's just get to work. I'm Jeff Tucker. See you inside.